Find the surface area of a square pyramid if the area of the base is 196 square centimeters and the height is 24 centimeters. So here is our square pyramid. Here's the height, 24 centimeters. Remember, heights are always perpendicular. That's why you have a 90-degree angle here. So this is the height of the pyramid. And then the area of this square, since it's a square pyramid, this is a square, is 196 square centimeters. Since you want the surface area, you write the surface area for a pyramid. So it's 1/2 the perimeter of the base times the slant height, we'll see what that is, plus the area of the base. So at this point, we know the area of the base. The base is a square. So here's the area of a square, and you'll see how we could use this to find the edges of the base. That means the sides of the base. So the area, they're calling it A. Here in the formula, they're calling it B, but in this formula, it would be your A. It's 196 square centimeters. This is S for the sides of the square. Now that you have it in the equation, you take the square root of both sides, and this tells us that the side for the square, each of the four sides, is worth 14 centimeters. You'll see how we'll use this in a while. So they didn't give us the slant height. This is the slant height. This height is 90 degrees right here. Remember, heights are always, they're always perpendicular. So this is the height from here to here. This is also a height, but this is called the height of the pyramid. This one's called the slant height. It goes on the side, on the face of this pyramid. It's also 90 degrees from here to here. This segment is 90 degrees to this edge. We need to find the L since the L is mentioned in the formula. So what you do is you get this height, you get your slant height, and you complete the triangle. So you form a right triangle. So this part of the right triangle is 24 centimeters. The slant height is what we're looking for, and we know this is 7. Since this is a square, each of these is 14, and if you're halfway, this is halfway, the pyramid, the height of the pyramid is halfway of one of these. So if this is 14, this would be 7. So we know this is 7. So now we have a right triangle, and to find the unknown, knowing two sides, in this case it's going to be the hypotenuse, the one opposite the 90. That's going to act like you're seeing your Pythagorean theorem. Here it is, L squared. And the other two sides are the A and the B in the formula. So you run it through your Pythagorean theorem, and you solve for the L. At this point, you take the square root of both sides, and L turns out to be 25 centimeters. Now that we know the L, we gather all the information we have, and we take what we need for the formula. So to find the surface area, I need 1/2 the perimeter of the base. So it's 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14, that's 56 centimeters. The L we just found, that's the slant height, is 25 centimeters. This 1/2 is like dividing this term by 2. So it's like saying 1 times PL divided by 2 times 1. So that gives you this divided by 2, plus the area of the base. So it gives us a surface area for this pyramid of 896 square centimeters.